Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply activate the dark mode in Google Chrome. So let's start. There are actually two ways how we can do it. The first way is go to the right top corner to settings and go to appearance, and then you're going to select the theme here in appearance, and you can choose like just black, right? Or this is the first way how we can do it. Or the second way is when you are here in Google Chrome, you want to click on the right down corner to customize, and then click on color and theme, and you can actually choose between, like when you were on white on the start, you can choose black, and I choose the black one because I like it and it's like smooth. What I also recommend is like deleting the shortcuts, like hiding it is also really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.